you're getting customer feedback in your support tickets. Those support tickets can be very helpful to you. You can see inefficiencies in them. You can create the changes along the way. See what other clients think that can be improved in your service, in your product, in your system that is currently unclear to them. It's free feedback. Take it and use it for your own benefits. Those people who work in customer service, they have to be creative. They have to bring solutions that will help to your clients and make a difference. One more thing about customer service, they have to know that when they promise something to a client, just make sure they stand in their promises. If your support team can stand in their promises, then just don't make any promises to your clients. Don't make clients run after your support team to get the answers they need. Keep looking on how you can improve your support team because there's always room for improvements. And in this case, those improvements can only benefit you and the business.